Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website, which is www.gigabyte.com. This is official website, so you can download the driver of any Gigabyte devices. After that you can see this is search box, so just click and then enter your model number of your motherboard Z790S DDR4, then hit enter. And then click on this. Then click on support. Then select your operating system which is you required and using, so Windows 10 and 11. So if you are use any, okay, so installations process same. So audio driver, you can see this is size, and yes, click to download. It will click to download, it will start downloading. Like I already downloaded this one, 165 MB. Just open it, and this is exe. So you have to double click because this is extracted driver in this. So when you click to double, require the administrator rights for yes, no. If you set this password, so you have to enter the administrator password, otherwise you know, just click on the yes, then click to yes. After, you can see this is extracting. Now this is installing. Now this is installing the audio driver. It will take some time because your system is installing in the background. So it is closed, means this is installed automatically, only this is installed, and then close it.